Hello, everybody. Welcome back. PieCover here. I'm in this blog, my website, piecover.com, that I use for Bitcoin education. But today, I want to show you guys how to set up your Lightning payment uh, uh, transactions, how to receive Lightning payment or Lightning donation or tape or value for value payment. So just like you can see over here, I have um, this tag, uh, kind of light green tag over here that's showing. You can see. I will show you step by step how I put it on. It's very easy, very easy. It's not gonna take you long. It's just a few lines of code, just to copy and paste, and I will show you exactly where to get that. Very easy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how that works. When somebody like your, let's say somebody like that post, right? So I post this the other day. Now there's this, value for value. The person gonna look say, hey, I can tape that website, and they're gonna go over there, and then they're gonna click on thank you and start over, right? They're gonna just they're gonna go donate, right? Donate sats. So this is how it goes. You click on donate, and then after donate, they're gonna click on. It could just this. Put your hand like that. This is for 10 sats, and then the OK is for 100 sats, and then the star is for 1,000 sats. So this is basically how the three selection they can choose. Now I'm gonna choose the middle, the OK. So I mean the reading was good, and I decided to give 100 sats. So I'm gonna go there next, and then I'm gonna say thanks. And then that person go, and then there's an address coming up, and then the address has the 100 sats on it, right, as an invoice. So the person gonna go and they're gonna send you 100 sats. Boom, the transaction is already done, and then you click done. The person gonna click done, and then boom, thank you, and it's over. That's it. That's it. So that's how you receive Lightning transaction on your website. So now I just show you, the finished product. But how do you do that? Well, you're gonna go to a little website that's called widgets dot 20uno.net. Widgets dot 20uno.net. So that website, basically you can just go payment widget, right? Go on payment widget. I think it's gonna be the same thing. So you go, once you get there, payment widget, and then you know what, I'm gonna put the link below for you guys, so click on that too, and then get paid in Bitcoin, right? So you want to get paid in Bitcoin, and then you just click on get started. So and what you do, you put the name. So I'm gonna put the name here. So I'm just gonna show you what I did. Just put the name, and then you're gonna put the receiver address. So basically, this is like a Lightning address. So how do you get that address? You can get it from GetAlbi, right? So my address from GetAlbi is PieCover, right? So as everybody knows, PieCover at getalbi.com. So you can just head on to GetAlbi, like simply just click on GetAlbi, and then you get a Bitcoin Lightning address, GetAlbi. So once you get there, I'm gonna show you guys. You just set up an account with GetAlbi, and once you get in, and then you'll be able to set up your address, the lightning address. You know which address you want to choose, and then you just click on. They're gonna give you your LB page. This is a URL. The person can just click on it and then go to your page directly. I'm gonna show you that. See, somebody wanna go to my go give me pay some sats, just go, and then this is my LB page, and you can put it. You set up your picture there. Okay, so I don't wanna waste too much time on this. So go over there, get your address, get your lightning address from get LB, and then come back to this. So now you have your address. So I already have it. So PieCover, PieCover at get LB. So by the way, you can also have that LB. You can have it on your own node. You can on your own node too. So you're not too much exposed to them. But for now, let's just keep it simple. So this is PieCover at getlb.com. So make sure you verify it's the right address, and then you choose an image. So so basically, this is just gonna be the image you want to choose to whatever the image you want, right, to for your payment, right? So I'm gonna go with fun image. It's a Bitcoin image. I'm gonna go look for a Bitcoin image online. Just gonna stay there because it's just a Bitcoin payment. If the person just go and they see a Bitcoin logo, that means they just pay in Bitcoin. I'm gonna use let's see. I'm gonna use this and this Bitcoin logo. So this Bitcoin sign. So I went out there, I find this image online. I just click Bitcoin image and I just find this. So I copy the link of that image, and then I just go back to the widget website, right? So and then I paste that widget, and then it gives me this. So you see the image show up here, and then now I'm gonna click on the amount. So the way it works, basically, you can choose 10 and then put a comma separated, and each time, and then you put. I'm gonna show you how to get emojis. So when you saw, I click on the okay sign, okay finger. So so this is 10. So what I did was 10, and I put a comma separated to 100, comma separated to 1000. So this is what I did here, okay? And then once I'm done here, so I went over there, I go on emoji. There's a website. Just go on emojipedia.org, emojipedia.org. So emojipedia.org, and I go over there, I find the signs, right? So first of all, I went and find you see the person with folded hand. Okay, so the folded hand, that's 10 sats, and I go over there and I paste it. This is 10 sats, and then there's another hand, the other one over here. Where was the next one? The next one was thumbs up, right? With the thumbs up. Okay, the thumbs up. I copy that and I go paste it in that widget website. And again, and the last one, we'll see the 10 is for this folded hand, and 100 is for thumbs up, and the 1000 is gonna be for the What is it gonna be for the star? So white, medium star. So I'm gonna copy that. I need to copy that. Okay. So pretty much done. Almost done, guys. Okay, so this is that. Now, go down, and it's gonna show me an illustration. So this is just basically how it's gonna be. Um, you're gonna go click on it. You're gonna give me the folded hand. Gonna give me the thumbs up, and it's gonna give me the star. So if I wanna give the folded hand, it's gonna give 10 sats, and click on it. It's gonna be okay. And if I wanna say thanks, right, and then click, show the lightning address, and pay, done, and then start over, donate, yeah, a thumbs up, 100 sats, click on it. Thanks for your posts or for your website. Thank you for your work for Bitcoin, and boom, lightning address, and then copy that and scan, pay the lightning, the 100 sats, boom, that's it. Start over again. So this is basically what it is. So that's the person who's going to pay you on your website. Very useful setup, and also, and this is the most interesting thing about it, it's a few lines of code, right? Just a few lines of code. You go out there, see here, you can see the lines of code, right? Small paragraph. Just copy that, right? Just copy, and then you go on your website and your blog. Doesn't matter. So you go on your the back end of your blog, right? So I'm going on my back end. So I'm going to my layout. I don't know where you have, your blog set up, where you have your layout. So I'm going in the back end there, and I'm gonna go. I already have a widget, a gadget. So gadget, I'm gonna go here. I already created that. So you just go. This gadget is configure HTML. That's just code, and the codes in JavaScript. So just basically the code, and then you just go there. You paste it. You basically write the title, which is gonna be that on your website, right? The title, and then you paste the code, right? You just copy, and then you content, all the content of the code, you just copy and paste it. On paste, you save. Once saved, you go there, you saved it, and then boom, that's it. And you have your Bitcoin. So now you can go click on it, right? Say, now the thumbs up. Somebody give you a thumbs up, 100 sat, boom. And then the person will say, thanks, boom, the address, they're gonna scan, done, yay. So anyways, guys, this was the video for today. I hope you enjoy. Please drop me a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Remember to stream me some sats. You can find my GetAlb link, PieCover, at getalb.com, and also you can find me on Nostr or Twitter. And I was gonna show you another way you could do that. There's a taping.me basically that allows you to do the same thing. There's a what I would say a link that they can, you could just sign in on taping.me using your Twitter account, and then using that, and then you will have like a code, just like a widget gives you a code, like a code like that, and then you can paste it on your website backend, and then have that right to your donation website. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you again in the next video. PieCover.